Okay, let's get started. Now we are discuss about the Poetics by Aristotle, part 21. Words are of two kinds, simple and double. By simple, I mean those composed of non-significant elements, such as gamma atom. By double or compound, those composed either of a significant and non-significant element. Though within the whole word no element is significant or of elements that are both significant. A word may likewise be triple, quadruple, or multiple in form, like so many Massilian expression. For example, Hermosiacozianthus, who prays to Father Zeus. Every verse is either current or strange or metaphor, metaphorical or ornamental, are newly coined or lengthened or contracted or alter, altered. By a current or proper word, I mean one which is in general use among a people. By a strange word, no one which is in use in another country. Plainly, therefore, the same word may be at once strange and current, but not the relation to the some people. The word sigma, ota, gamma, people, upsilon, non, omicrons, no. Lens is to the copyrians as current terms, but to use a strange one. Metaphor is the application of an alien name by transfer, either from genus to species or from species to genus, or from species to species, or by analogy, that is proportion. Thus, from genus to species, as their lies may ship for laying at anchor is a species of laying. For species to genus as verily 10,000 noble deeds hath or DSS wrath. From 10,000 is a species of large number and is here used for a large number generally from species to species, as with a blade of bronze drew away the life, the cleft the water with the vessel of unyielding bronze. Here alpha rho upsilon rho alpha oda, to draw away is used from tau alpha mu epsilon ota no, to cleave, and tau alpha mu epsilon ota no. Again from alpha rho epsilon alpha ota, each being a species of taking away. Analogy or portion is when the second term is to the first as the fourth to the third. We may then use the fourth for the second or the second for the fourth. Sometimes to we qualify the metaphor for by adding the term to which the proper word is relative. Thus the cup is to Dionysus as the sheet to heirs. The cup may therefore be called the shield of Dionysus. By the shield, the cup of air, or again as old again is to life, so is evening to day. Evening may therefore for called the old age of the day and old age, the evening of life, or in the phrase of empedocles, life's setting sun. From some of the terms of the proportion, there is at times no word in existence. Still, the metaphor may be used, for instance, to scatter seed is called swung, but the action of the sun is scattering his ray is nameless. Still, this process bear to the sun the same relation as swung to the seed. Hence, the expression of the poet swung the God created light. There is another way in which this kind of metaphor may be employed. We may apply an alien term and then deny of that term one of its proper attributes, as if we were to call the shield not the cup of Aries but the wineless cup, and or ornamental word. A newly coined word is one which has never been even in local use but is adopted by the poet himself. Some such words there appear to be as epsilon rho no, epsilon gamma, epsilon sigma, sprouters for kappa, epsilon rho alpha to alpha, horns and alpha rho eta rho, supplicator for eta epsilon rho epsilon sigma, priest. A word is lengthened when its own vowel is exchanged for a longer one, or when a syllable is inserted. A word is contracted when some part of it's moved. Instead of lengthening or p, pio, micron, lambda, eta, omicron, sigma, for pia, omicron, lambda, epsilons, omega, sigma, and p eta, lambda, eta, iota, alpha, delta, epsilon, omega, for p eta, lambda, epsilon, iota, delta, omicron, epsilon of contraction, kappa, rho, iota, delta, omega, and omicron pisa, or in mo, iota, alpha, sigma, iota, no, epsilon, to, alpha, iota, alpha, mo, phi, omicron, to, epsilon, rho, omega, no, omicron PC. A alerted word is one is in which part of the ordinary form is left unchanged and part of recast, as in delta epsilon z iota to epsilon rho omicron no, kappa alpha to alpha no, alpha zeta omicron no, delta epsilon z iota to epsilon rho omicron no, is for delta epsilon z iota omicron no. Nouns is themselves or either masculine, feminine, or neuter. Masculine are such as and in no, rho, sigma, are in some letter compounded with sigma. These being to and z, feminine such as and in vowels that are always long, namely eta and omega, and of vowels that admit of lengthening, those in alpha. Thus the number of letters in which nouns masculine and feminine and is the same for PC and Z are equivalent to endings in sigma. No noun ends in a mute or a vowel short by nature. Three only end in oda. Mo, eta, lambda, iota. Kappa, omicron, mo, iota, P, epsilon, P, epsilon, rho, autumn. 5 and in epsilon, Newton nouns, and in these two letter vowels, also in no and sigma. Okay, do like, shares, and subscribe. Thank you.